Hey guys, Avid Paulie here. You guys like chicken? Well, I'm gonna show you how to make Popeyes fried chicken at home. Just like the restaurant. Seriously. Come on, let's go.
You're checking out Avid Paulie.
Okay, check this out now. Look at all these chicken wings that I got. This right here, I believe this is Tyson chicken. All natural, fresh chicken drumsticks. No antibiotics, ever. Look how much I paid for it. $4.14. And I believe there's what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I believe there's 14 drumsticks, all for $4. I also got some chicken wings because I like chicken wings. Now these right here, they cost a little bit more, $7.30. Still a great deal. I don't know exactly how much is in there. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or something like that. I don't know, 8 or 10. But it's still a great deal compared to what just basically 2 pieces of chicken or 3 pieces of chicken that Popeyes would cost you. So we're gonna be saving a whole lot of money by doing this ourselves, and trust me, I know how to make it exactly like them, if not better. Okay, so let's get it started. Okay, first off, I'm going to rinse off the chicken. Right now I'm not making too many of them. I'm gonna make probably about, 4 drumsticks and 4 chicken wings, just now. So basically I'm just rinsing these off first. Okay. Make sure these suckers right here is clean. Okay, then, well, let's see. I'm gonna tell you like this. I ran out of bowls, so I'm just gonna be using some of these pots because this right here is really not that much of it. So let's just say I put these 4 here, right? I take some Buffalo Hot wing sauce and just put it right there, right? Even when it's wet, even when it's a little bit wet, thing is kind of like want that to marinate just a little bit. Not that much, you know what I'm saying? So check this out. So I'm basically gonna put this in the refrigerator and just let this marinate for about a half an hour, all right? Just basically just let it get in there, and it could just be a little bit wet like that, okay? Oh man, you know what? I forgot to let you guys know we also need buttermilk and also some eggs. 2 very important ingredients for the batter. Oh my gosh, I forgot all about it. 1 bowl will be for regular flour. Just shake that up a little bit. Two eggs. We basically whisk this a little bit and until we get kind of like a pancake batter. Okay, now this right here is the deep fryer that we'll be using. I only paid $20 for this. Okay, so we pour in basically half vegetable oil, and here is the secret weapon: beef tallow. This right here is finest quality food grade. This is grass-fed beef tallow. This is about $20 to $25 a pop. So you want to look in there. That's what it looks like. Looks like kind of like lard, but it's not. And you basically like this. Put in about 2 dollops of this. Okay, now let's do the chicken wings. So basically, make sure they put enough of that on there. Then whoa, you hear that sizzling in there? Ooh, oh yeah. And it smells good. Oh. Okay, let's see how it's coming out. Whoa, look at that. Not too shabby. Leave it in there for another 5 minutes. Okay, let's look and see how this came out. Whoa. Just like Popeyes. Oh yeah. Look at that right there. So you can see. Okay, so let's see how this is turning out. Looking good. Then just a little longer. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, looking nice and crispy. Nice and crispy in there. That looks pretty good, don't it? Let's make sure. I should put some more grease in there, but it's okay. I'll just still turn it around. Oh yeah. Look at this. Beautifully fried. Oh yeah. Look at that. You can see the herbs and spices in there. Now these is a nice, this really looks pretty good. Now look at this, this is pretty nice. Oh, man. Let me taste this. Look, I know the 3D printer is going off in the background, but you should hear the crunch. So good. See the juices? Yeah. I don't need to go to Popeyes anymore. Make it right at home.